Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best drawing tablets that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. UGEE M708 Graphics Tablet. Pocket-friendly and affordable, the UGEE M708 tablet is incredibly powerful compared to some of its rivals, but it has an impressive report rate of 230 reports per second, and a 5080 LPI resolution. The M708 provides 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity pen as well as the tablet itself, giving you the feeling of writing on paper. The feature-packed tablet is ideal for drawing, working well with a number of different software such as Photoshop, Corel Painter and Illustrator, so designers won't have to worry about switching between devices. It also supports different operating systems, including Mac OS by 10.6 and Windows OS. The M708 is easy to set up and is incredibly user-friendly, so it's perfect for hobbyists, amateurs and professionals of all kinds. At number 4. Microsoft Surface Pro. While the Surface Pro isn't strictly designed exclusively for drawing, meaning you can do everything you can do on your laptop on this device, the tools and features this product provides make it a fantastic option for drawing. This is Microsoft's best tablet offering so far, and the technology makes it more than a viable option if you're looking for a tablet you can use for designing and sketching. The incredibly high-resolution PixelSense display rivals the Retina displays that Apple products provide, while the ability to add notes on the screen about print colors which are harmonious to the OS sending print jobs to a Windows printer is perfect for designers working in print. The Surface Pro has plenty of storage and RAM, so there's more than a sufficient amount of speed for working on projects and tasks. For a more conventional drawing method, see our top picks for color pencils. At number 3. Samsung Galaxy S3 Tablet. The Samsung Galaxy S3 is the company's best tablet offering to date and comes with everything you need to get started straight away. It has a high-quality OLED display and a pen-operated air command menu means the stylus isn't just useful for drawing and making notes. Plus, it never needs to be charged. The S3 has 4 powerful integrated speakers and an HDR-ready, future-proofed screen. While the stylus comes included with this tablet, if you're looking to transform this into a multi-purpose device with the addition of a keyboard, then you'll have to pay extra. Do what you want when you want with the new Galaxy Tab S3, the tablet that redefines what you can do with one device. Whether you're working, playing, creating or gaming, the Galaxy Tab S3 is a blank canvas, a theater screen, and a productivity hub all in one. At number 2. Wacom Intuos Pro Paper Edition. For many artists and designers, there's nothing quite like the feeling of drawing on paper. The Wacom Intuos Pro Paper Edition combines this feeling with the editable nature of technology. It enables users to capture and upload pen-to-paper artwork in a digital format in raster or vector files. The removable paper clip and gel pen are used in tandem with the tablet, simply by placing the paper over the tablet and sketching as normal. The work will be captured on the tablet, even when you're not connected to the Internet, with up to 4 times higher accuracy than earlier versions of the tablet and tilt recognition. The new Intuos Pro line lets you do both. For all digital work, choose the standard Intuos Pro. To sketch on paper and refine digitally, select the revolutionary Intuos Pro Paper Edition. At number 1. WORKPRO Wood Chisel Set. Designed for beginners and students who want to pursue their creativity on a more casual basis, the Simbins Picasso Tab tablet is a great option that comes with a pen and pre-installed Autodesk Sketchbook app for taking notes or drawing. The Picasso Tab has a 10-inch IPS HD display with vivid clarity at any angle, so you can sketch, play games or watch movies without the experience being compromised. For any artist looking for a cost-effective product, this tablet is a fantastic choice that delivers great results. If you want to have a go at face design, see our guide on the top face paints. The high-power MediaTek quad-core processor boosts the multitasking abilities of the tablet. The IPS HD screen resolution makes crystal clear pictures, and the 32 GB disk allows you to download thousands of free apps from the Google Play Store. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.